We build our cities from steel and concrete, yet a single storm can bring them to their knees. But in the heart of the world's most violent weather, a silent engineer stands defiant. While our structures snap, the forest survives. From the wind-swept ridges of the Andes to the flooded basins of the Amazon, trees have spent millions of years perfecting the art of impact. This is the story of bulletproof bark, the hidden structural genius that allows Earth's botanical titans to absorb forces that would level skyscrapers. To the casual observer, bark is just a skin. In reality, it is a multi-layered shield. At its heart lies the periderm. This isn't just a covering, it's a sophisticated shock absorption system. The outer layer, the phellem or cork, is filled with air, acting like a microscopic honeycomb. When extreme winds or flying debris strike, these cells compress, dissipating energy before it can reach the tree's vital heart, the cambium. This isn't just growth, it's nature's version of reactive armor. If bark is the armor, the wood is the skeleton. But unlike our rigid bones, wood is a master of flexibility. Through a process called thigmomorphogenesis, trees literally feel the wind. When a tree is buffeted by storms, it responds by thickening its trunk and altering its cellular structure, depositing more lignin, the organic polymer that acts as nature's cement. It is a living feedback loop. The harsher the wind, the stronger the wood becomes. Every landscape has its champion. In the coastal surge, the mangrove uses a complex network of aerial roots to anchor itself into the shifting silt, turning the water's own force against it. In the floodplains, the willow employs flexible engineering, its wood having a lower modulus of elasticity, allowing it to bend until its crown touches the water without snapping. And then there is the ironwood, so dense and reinforced with minerals that it can withstand impacts that would shatter a lesser tree. These aren't just plants, they are battle-hardened survivors. What can we learn from the forest? In an era of increasing climate volatility, the bulletproof bark offers a blueprint for our future. By studying how trees distribute stress and absorb impact, architects and engineers are developing biomimetic materials, buildings that bend instead of break, and armor that breathes. But as we look to trees for solutions, we must also act as their protectors. In every tree that stands tall after a hurricane, there is a lesson in resilience. We just need to listen.